Okay, guys. We're going to be testing out some Nerf guns today. So if you guys are a big fan of Nerf guns, you should better watch this video. I want this video to get 100,000 likes, and I will maybe invite one of my friends over and play in there. Let's see. Okay, guys. So here we have my Nerf guns. Today we are going to be shooting. That's one. This one. So you guys are ready to hop into today's video? Hope you are. Okay, guys, just gonna set you over here. Hi. Oh, wait. Okay, guys, go. So today we are going to. So yeah, let's go. There's not really bullets in here, so I just like shooting sometimes without bullets. Now we're going to do it with a bullet. So let's see. It's crazy, y'all. If you all like Nerf guns, please subscribe and turn notifications on and enjoy this video if you like them. Let's go. Why? Don't you dare, guys, get shot. You don't want to? Well. So, hopefully you guys don't want to try.
I'm already getting all kinds of requests for
Oopsie. So yeah, I really like posting videos to you guys. If you guys haven't seen my playing video, go check it out. It has my first editing. So yeah, it's very exciting, and hopefully you enjoy that video and subscribe to that one and like, and just please smash that like button like that. Turn over notifications on. Hope you like the video, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.